The viscosity readings look good on the tablet.
Yes, within the parameters. We can increase the flow rate slightly.
Sensor readings are optimal. The coating is flawless. Excellent work. Maintain current parameters.
Temperatures are stable at 150.
And the coating thickness is spot on. We are good to go.
Water quality remains optimal at 99.9%. Excellent. Let's maintain the pressure settings for the next batch. Moisture readings are confirmed at 0.02%. Everything is within tolerance.
Very good. Keep a close eye on the humidity sensors down the line.
The pressure test results on line 3 look good.
Yes, the defect rate is holding steady at 0.1%.
Water quality remains optimal at 99.9%. Excellent. Let's maintain the pressure settings for the next batch. The vision system caught another microfracture on line 3. Good. The sensitivity settings are working perfectly.
The OEE is holding steady at 92%.
Good. The last batch scan confirms the dimensions are within tolerance. Scan successful. Pallet XXX724 is now logged in the system.
The production report is complete. Have all quality checkpoints passed? Yes, they have. We are cleared for the next cycle. Look at this spike in the OEE data from line 3. We need to investigate the root cause immediately. The overall equipment effectiveness is holding steady at 99.8% for the third quarter.
Excellent. The synchronization is flawless down there.
Looks like we hit peak efficiency again. The report is flawless. And the quality check is approved. I'll finalize the sign-off. All documentation verified. Shipment approved for loading. Roger that. Get the final restraints secured. Check the efficiency metrics on line 3. We're showing a slight dip in throughput.
Rerunning the diagnostic now. The AI predicts a rapid recovery. The system now monitors the curing and washing stages in real time. This ensures consistent quality before we move to final testing and packaging.